At Engineer Supply, we proudly offer a wide range of GeoMax tools tailored to meet your surveying needs. GeoMax, known globally for their precision and ease of use, manufactures top-quality survey equipment, from theodolites to total stations. Here are our top 5 GeoMax products. 1. GeoMax Zoom75, 2A5 Robotic Total Station Package, 6017095. Perfect for digitizing construction sites with its user-friendly XPad field software. 2. GeoMax Zoom75, 3A10 Robotic Total Station Package. Handles large files quickly and efficiently, thanks to its powerful processor. 3. GeoMax Zenith 16 Rover Set. Multi-Constellation offers high-performance GNSS technology at a great value, ideal for various surveying tasks. 4. GeoMax 6011-336 Zeta 125 Pipe Laser Universal Target Trivet Package. Features plus 10 arc. Second accuracy, making it versatile for gradients and drainage systems. 5. GeoMax Zone 60 DG Fully Automatic Dual-Grade Laser with Digital Receiver provides craftsmen with easy control through a simple user interface on both the laser and remote. Experience the reliability and quality of GeoMax survey instruments. Shop now at EngineerSupply.com.